I'm standing in front of this SmartTech pump. This SmartTech pump is part of a machine or a process which is going to be a game changer in the water management area in India. It has got many applications in industrial and handling of fly ash, slurry, etc. But the one what I would like to explain to you is about the water management. You know that in India the wastewater is treated, but it is not recycled. The treated water is let down to the water bodies as it is after treatment, and still there are concerns on the pollution of the water bodies. So what SmartTech does? It is part of a process. The process works like this. It recycles the wastewater, removes the water from the wastewater, and then leaves alone the sludge. The wastewater is used for application like plants and parks, etc. And the sludge, which is the most difficult thing, is handled by this SmartTech pump. SmartTech pump is same for technology what we use in the concrete pump, but it is very useful in moving the sludge. So what we do with the sludge? We have two options to manage the sludge. One is to convert the sludge as a feed for incinerator, which can create power. The other option is converting the sludge after treatment for the pathogens into a biofertilizer. Talking about converting into a biofertilizer, the pathogens don't live in the alkaline environment, so we add chemicals like lime to and raise the temperature to kill this pathogen. And in the process, we create the sludge in a basic form or alkaline form. So this fertilizer is very useful for farms where there is which are an acidic in nature. Before each crop, because at the moment farmers buy inorganic fertilizers to convert the acidity to alkaline. So this comes naturally with from this biofertilizer. So this is a win-win situation. The municipal administration finds a way to dispose the wastewater, and the farmers get biofertilizer, and the wastewater get recycled and finds an application in areas like watering the parks. And also another interesting thing, the land requirement for the treatment plant will become substantially lower, because at the moment the sludge is dried in a huge tract of land, and once this type of a process comes, you don't require such a huge area for doing this drying process. And drying also creates stinks. And today the land cost in India is so high. So there's such a process which converts the wastewater sludge into biofertilizer will be really useful for developing country like India. And India in the last few years have been talking about Swachh Bharat, the cleaning of river system and creating smart cities. This process and this product goes very well in the overall water management of the country. Thank you.